Hi, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Rich Side Insider, a place where future millionaires come together to get ideas. So today, our topic is going to be about biggest gainer stock on 2020 May 26, China's MMTec Inc. If this is your first time to Rich Side Insider, make sure you subscribe our channel because we talk about business, finance, economics, real estate, how to make more money, and helping you succeed in life. If this is your first time, you click on it and also you do not miss any of my videos. So let's go and check out today's stock. On 26th, let's go look at this stock. 1.1 US dollars on Friday, May 22nd at 4 p.m. But on Tuesday, after Memorial Weekend, the market opened, it jumped to 2.71. It's more than twice. So 1.1 to 2.7. So what's going on here? So for 1 month, nothing changed. Year to date, the stock was up and it just dropped. 1 year, look at it. This is so scary. I don't want to be invested in this stock, but it might be great for trading. So basically, this is only 42.43 million market cap. So it's a small company, so which explains why it can jump a lot. Look at it. 52-week low is 64 cents, and 52-week high is 19.55 cents. So basically, this stock move a lot. So I look around. Why did it move a lot? So I couldn't find it anywhere on Google News. So there's nothing about the stock movement in Google. There's nothing in Yahoo about the stock, about the news at all. This is a profile. This is in China, Beijing stock. So look at this one. The average volume is 304,000. So, but that they trade at 1.1 millions. So it did not say anything about the news. Everything, these are all nothing at all. Nothing here as well. But I found a place where from the MT News wires. So this company basically revenue jumped in 2019. So which is the reason why stock jumps 90%. So while its net loss to 0.11 per share in 2019 from a loss of 0.06 per share. So in 2018, it lost about 6 penny. But in 2019, basically the loss increased to 11 cents per share. So but the revenue jumped 647% to 0.2 million over the same period, driven by market data service business and addition of investor relations business and acquisition of MMBD trading. So what does this stock do? Basically, what do they do? What type of business are they in? Let's go look at it. You can read about this company by going to Yahoo Finance. You can go to any. You can look for any companies in Yahoo Finance. Look at it. Click on the profile. So this type of stocks usually drop after the big jump because you could imagine there are a lot of people who lost money. They lost money. The stock went to 73 cents, so they will be so happy when it reached 2.05. So that's what a lot of people say they are stocks, and this stock is listed on Nasdaq. Nasdaq is usually about technology, a stock exchange. Look at the profile. This is the address. This is a technology sector, is technology industry software application. So full-time employees only 33 people. It's a small company. This is CEO, CFO, CTO. They have the map here. Develops and deploys platform that enable financial institutions to engage in security markets, transaction, settlements, and People's Republic of China. So basically, this company develops software for the bank, financial institution. It can be banks, it can be insurance company, anything related to the finance. So it's provide the platform solutions. So looks like they basically and the trading and execution, third-party access middleware. Yeah, in a nutshell, it serves hedge funds, mutual funds, register proprietary trading groups, and brokerage firms. So it's a fintech company, financial technology company. So basically, they provide like ERP system, um, providing financial platform tools and stuff like that. So these company usually can be jump a lot. Even the news is based on the revenue. It's based on revenue jumps a lot by 647%, just by 200,000. So it's a small company, so that's why it could jump a lot. And another types of company that could jump a lot is a biotech company. Biotech, they are really risky business. A lot of people lose their money on it. They are called penny stock because it's less than $5 per share. $5 per share. You have to be really careful about investing in this stock. I mean, I don't invest it. It's just for trading. You can trade within day trade 1 day or 2 days. And I'm not a financial advisor, but I just share what I know. I've been trading, investing for a decade. Cool. Let's go back. So, what do you learn about this video lesson? Comment below. If you learned something from this video, make sure you subscribe and share this video. And the links. Thank you for watching my video. So I want to give you free audiobooks. CEO reads about 60 books a year, 5 books a month, and 1 book a week. But average American reads only about 1 book a year. So that's why they are paid so much different. So as my students, I want to give you free audiobooks. Click the link below. The link below the audiobooks gonna be down there. And if you are just starting out, I'd like to give you free start too. The free start gonna be down there below as well. So there will be 2 links. One link, if you click on it, you can open an account. You're gonna get 1 stock. Then you deposit $100 to get the second stock up to $1,400. That's a lot of money. And you can get 1 more stock by opening another account at another link. So the link's gonna be below. If you are thinking about becoming a realtor, and you can take real estate course below, click the link below. Realtor can make money anytime. When the economy is bad, a lot of sellers are selling their home. You can help your sellers. If the economy is going well, you can help the buyers. So this could be at the right time to start a license. As a part-time, even if you're buying your own house, you can get your license. You can get knowledge, and the seller's gonna pay you for if you're just buying your own home. That's pretty cool, right? So get a license. You can start by 1,000, 2,000. That's how can you start a business so cheap? If you start a restaurant, it could cost you 50,000 to 100,000. So you can start it. Get a licensing course. It's provided by another company. So I put the link down below. If you are thinking about getting a interest-free loan, try these credit cards. They give you 14 months, 15 months. You need to check the credit card before you sign up. But typically they give you free interest for the first year. If you're paying more than $15 per month for your mobile phones, you're paying too much, especially in these difficult times, illness happening, So you can switch to this plan, unlimited texting, talking, and data. So this is Ryan Reynolds unlimited mobile plan, and it's only costs about $15 per month if you sign up for 3 months. And if you're thinking about traveling, there are free travel credits below as well. Click a link below. If you want to reach out to me, you can reach out to me on my Facebook or Instagram. And get free stock audiobooks in description and comment. So what do you learn about this video? Do you think that stock's gonna go up or gonna go down? Comment below. Follow, subscribe, like and see first, and follow. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.